Charity lunch and dinner by Woodlands. For 20 years we raised over $850,000, from 1985 to 2004. On occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. Some of our beneficiaries are Oxfam, Orbis, Cancer Fund, Children's Cancer Foundation and Médecins Sans Frontières. After 14 years, we restored our tradition this year. 2019. Woodlands. Caring and sharing. This year we chose Silence as our beneficiary. Silence is a Hong Kong-based charity organization serving the people with hearing and speaking disability. All donations received through this event will be donated to Silence. To know more, just log on to www.silence.org.hk. You can donate anytime online by just logging on to www.woodlandshk.com/annual-charity/. And also we accept all major credit cards. Or pay directly at Woodlands, on October 7, 2019. If you can't get a place on the event date, don't worry. We will give you a coupon to use within 3 months. Only for the donors who pay $100 up to enjoy your meal at your convenience. Mark your calendar on October 7, 2019, Monday. Time 11:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. At Woodlands, Upper Ground 16 to 17, Wing On Plaza, 62 Modi Road, Sim Sha Sui, MTR Exit P1, Kowloon, Hong Kong. Take part to be a part of a change. Donate generously. Share the joy of caring with your friends. Thank you.